Hello, and welcome to A Minute for the Bible. In 1 Thessalonians 4:9-12, Paul writes, "Now as to the love of the brethren, you have no need for anyone to write to you, for you yourselves are taught by God to love one another. For indeed you do practice it toward all the brethren who are in all Macedonia. But we urge you, brethren, to excel still more, and to make it your ambition to lead a quiet life and attend to your own business and work with your hands, just as we commanded you, so that you will behave properly toward outsiders and not be in any need." The Thessalonians were lovers. Paul mentions it several times in this letter. Because God's love is infinite and his love is poured out through us, we can excel even more at loving. That love extends out into the world, who will be stunned by God's love being lived out through us. The twist here is that Paul is hoping that the love also allows there to be less conflict with the unsaved Thessalonians, which would allow them to continue in their generosity within the body and outreach to the lost unhindered. This has been A Minute for the Bible.